Hey sweethearts, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your baby girl Sperry, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Go ahead and subscribe right down below, and if you're not new, thanks for sticking out with your girl. So in today's video, we are going to put down this T-bob wig that I got from Beauty Supply. I've had this wig for a while, but I never really put it glued down to my forehead. But today, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick that baby on my forehead. Can I get an amen? So we're gonna give this wig a name. We're gonna call it Anaya. And let's get straight into the tutorial. So what I first did was I made sure that Anaya was really prepped before I put her on my head. And then what I did next was I made sure I cleaned the makeup that I had on my forehead so that the got-to-be glue spray can easily melt on my skin. Bear in mind that as you're doing this, you want to do it in section. You don't want to spray the got-to-be glue all over your forehead and then try to pull the hair on top of it all at once. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is just do it section by section. You want to start maybe from the middle part and then work your way to your ears and then to your other ears. That is what I did. I actually learned this the hard way because I made a mess and I had to clean it up and actually start again. And one of the ways to also clean the got-to-be glue spray is just like soak a cotton pad with water and then just clean it off. You don't really need alcohol for that because this is not real glue. It's just like a strong gel basically in a spray form. If you noticed earlier, I didn't tie the headband on my forehead like right away. I tied it on my neck first and then I pulled it up to where I wanted it to be. I did so because when I tried to put it on my forehead straight away, it was just like all over the place. Anaya was getting tangled in it and it just didn't look right, so I decided to tie it around my neck and then pull it up. I think it is safer to do that rather than just, trying to tie it on your forehead straight away. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. So whilst I wait for Anaya to get dried up, I make sure that I use my glue stick on Anaya and comb her out with my hot comb. As you can see, it combs through it, making it give it this silky look, which is really cool. But I don't do it to the whole hair. I just do it to the center part of the hair. One of the reasons why I do that is also to make the hair look more flat and not too bumpy. You don't want it bumpy. And the most important part of it is also laying that flyaway hairs, because sometimes there are a little flyaway hairs here and there and you don't want that either as well. So the glue stick also helped to tame the flyaway hairs, and that's great. And Anaya is smiling at me right now. Okay, y'all can tell me nothing. So whilst this video is going on, I want to go ahead and share a scripture with you from the book of Romans. Romans chapter 12 verse 19 says, "Dearly beloved, avenge not yourselves, but rather give place unto wrath. For it is written, Vengeance is mine, I will repay, saith the Lord." So what I just want to encourage you on is anything that you're going through, or from your people that you love, or even people that you don't know. It could be your enemies, people that don't like you, people that hate you. Whatsoever that you're doing to you, don't try to repay them back. Don't try to avenge yourself. Don't try to defend yourself. Just give it all unto the Lord. Pray to God. You can't change what people say about you. You can't change what people think about you. But no matter what you do, people will still have something to say. When you look at the life of Jesus, who is God, people still had things to say about his life. How much you more man, a mortal human being? Huh? What I just want to say is, do not try to avenge yourself. Do not try to fight your own battles. Do not try to defend yourself all the time. All you can do is really take it to prayer. You can't do much. You just wear out, you get tired, you get depressed, you get stressed out. So I want you to know that the God that you serve, and if you don't serve God, this is a sign for you to give your life to Christ. And when he is avenging you, oh, it's a wrath. It's not just an anger, it's a wrath. So take it to the Lord in prayer and he will definitely avenge for you. Okay, now so back to the video. Once Anaya is done drying up, as you can see, we're gonna try and do some baby hairs. I am not an expert in doing baby hairs, but I love it so much, especially when I do my natural hair. I really love to get some baby hairs, but for wigs, baby girl, baby hairs is not my thing. But as you can see, I'm just trimming it to create this baby hairs, and also I twisted a little bit. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm gonna spray some got2b glue spray on top of my toothbrush, which I do not use for my teeth, I use for my hair. Okay, all right y'all, so baby hair is done, or whatever. It's not really given, but we're gonna move with it. Okay, so to create a fake hairline, I'm using my Fenty Beauty makeup to create a hairline, a fake hairline, because my hairline was not really popping with Anaya, so we had to create some fake hairline. Okay, so I got my shade, and then that's what I'm just doing. So for my center part, I had already put some makeup on it before I even put it on. Anaya was already prepped, baby. She was ready to go. So next I grabbed my mousse and also put it on Anaya just to tame the hair once again. And afterwards I go ahead and use the hot comb on it one more time. But girl, I burned my ears and it hurt. But as they say, beauty is pain, so I can't complain that much, right? Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on the final outcome of the hair. I think I did pretty good. I wasn't loving the baby hairs, but I think I still did pretty good, and I love the total outcome in general. I think it looks good, it looks chic, and that's what matters. Anyways, if you think it's given, let me know in the comment box it's given, and if it's not given, also let me know that, girl, this is not given. I'm thinking of trying the sideways baby hairs and see how it's gonna look on me. So watch out for the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should get your xoxo.